what I think I need. Before I start, I'm going to dip my fingers in water. Alright. Have that handy. Start kneading. And keep on kneading. Okay. Turn the ball. Roll it into it like a worm. Okay. Squish them in there. Now I'm going to grab my blade. I'm going to push them in there very well. Okay. Now I'm just going to squish some in there. Make sure she's packed evenly and nicely. Fill in voids. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm just going to do like this. Okay. I'm going to dip my tool. Put some water on there. Put a little bit of water in your hands. Push firmly. You can even give it a little slide. Clean it off a little bit. Okay. I'm just going to curve it in like that. All the curvature. Okay, so while it's still wet, I'm going to start taking off this tape. And remember, I said peel away, so you just peel away. You just start taking them off. So no good, we're gonna be able to camouflage the rest of that, no problem. Okay, see how much work, see how this is. Dip that in my water. I'm gonna match the angle here. I'm just gonna shear that. That's good. Perfect, that's nice. Okay. You can probably take a little bit more, I just want to make sure that that's forming a good line. Beautiful. Okay, now this is a little bit proud. So I'm gonna dip my blade in water again. Same kind of thing. You know, this is almost hard. Okay, I'm just gonna do a test piece, see if it does what I want it to do. Okay, it seems to be okay. So it's, again, I didn't take it all off because I wanted to just work into it, not go too deep. I didn't want it to tear out either. That looks really nice. Then I'm going to grab a rag here. Okay. Looks great. Perfect. Okay, nice and flat. And we're going to be able to drill into that.
stop. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.